Emma, why is there a sticky note on the microwave that says microwave?
It is for learning vocabulary.
You already know what a microwave is.
I know, but maybe someone else does not.
There is a sticky note on the couch that says couch.
Yes,
There is a sticky note on Emmy that says Jake.
that one is for me personally.
I need to find better roommates.
Welcome to English Over Coffee. I am Emma. And Jake just discovered my system.
Her system involves labeling everything in the apartment, including me.
Today, we are talking about something very important. How to practice English every single day. Even if you live alone. Even if you do not have a teacher. Even if no one around you speaks English at all.
5 habits, and I have to warn you, one of them I refused to try for 3 weeks. I told Emma it was ridiculous, but she was right. I hate that she was right.
Which habit? You will find out at the end.
Because here is the truth. A classroom is great. A teacher is great. But you cannot sit in a lesson 24 hours a day.
The people who improve the fastest practice outside of class. They build small habits. Habit means something you do regularly, almost automatically, without thinking too hard, like brushing your teeth every morning.
Or eating cereal at 11 a.m. That is one of my habits.
That is not a good habit, Jake.
The math works out.
We have 5 habits for you today. 5 specific things you can start doing right now. No textbook required, no grammar chart required. Just you, English, and a little bit of creativity.
Creativity means using your imagination to find new solutions. Let us begin.
Habit number 1. Watch everything in English.
Okay, I love this one because it involves watching things, and I love watching things.
The idea is simple. Change the language of your entertainment. YouTube videos, movies, TV shows, documentaries. Whatever you already watch in your own language, try to watch it in English.
And here is the part people miss. Turn on English subtitles. Not your language, English subtitles.
When you use subtitles in your own language, you stop listening. Your ears turn off. You just read. English subtitles mean your ears and your eyes are learning at the same time.
Your brain starts connecting the sounds to the words. Connecting means linking two things together.
And now, what if your level is still quite low? What if English movies feel too fast or too difficult?
Children's shows. And I am 100% serious.
Shows like Peppa Pig, Bluey, simple words, slow speaking, very clear pronunciation. Pronunciation means the way words sound when you say them out loud.
There is zero shame in watching Peppa Pig. Zero. Those shows are actually made to teach vocabulary in a very clear way.
And here is the best trick I know. And this one actually surprises people. Take a movie or show you have already seen many times. Something you love. You know every scene. You know every joke. You know exactly what is going to happen.
Now watch it in English.
Because your brain already knows the story. So it helps you understand English. The translation appears in your head automatically. Automatically means without effort, without trying.
Emma did this with her favorite romantic comedy. She has seen it maybe 30 times.
12 times. That is a normal amount.
12 times is not...
Moving on.
Now try this. Say the name of one show or movie you already know very well. In English, out loud. Say it right now. You just practiced English. That counts.
Habit number 2. Talk to real English speakers.
Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Jake, Emma, I do not live in America. I do not live in England. There are no native speakers near me. We hear you.
The answer is online. The internet has completely changed this. Completely means 100% in every way.
There are platforms specifically designed to connect language learners with real speakers. You can find a teacher, a tutor, or just a conversation partner.
A conversation partner is not a teacher. You are not paying for lessons. You are simply talking about your day, your city, your interests. It is casual. Casual means relaxed, informal, not serious.
And here is an even easier way. Find an online community around something you already love. Are you into photography, basketball, cooking, video games? There are English-speaking groups and forums for every single topic.
When you share an interest with people, the language becomes easier. You are not thinking about English grammar. You are thinking about the topic. And English is just the tool you use to discuss it.
A tool means an instrument you use to do something. English is not the destination, it is the vehicle. The vehicle gets you to the conversation.
And the most important thing, do not be afraid to make mistakes. Every single person learning a language makes mistakes. Every native speaker made mistakes as a child.
I still make mistakes.
Jake says Pacific when he means specific.
I have been saying that wrong for 26 years, and I am only slightly embarrassed.
Native speakers will not judge you. Most people genuinely want to help. Genuinely means truly, really, from the heart.
Think of one topic you love, something you could talk about for 10 minutes. Now think of one sentence about it in English. Good, you have a conversation starter. Now you just need someone to talk to.
Habit number 3. Learn one new word every day.
One word.
One word. Minimum. You can do more, but promise yourself at least one.
Promise here means to commit. Commit means to make a real, serious decision and keep it.
Here is why one word feels small, but is actually powerful. One word per day, 365 days. That is 365 new words in 1 year.
Emma loves numbers.
The numbers are correct. And here is the crucial part, and this is where most people fail. Crucial means very important, essential. You cannot just learn a word today and forget it tomorrow.
You have to repeat it.
Repeat means to do or say something again. Research shows that a person needs to encounter a word about 7 times before it stays in the brain long term.
Encounter means to see or hear something. 7 times.
So when you learn a word today, bring it back tomorrow and the day after. Use it in a sentence. Look for it in something you read or watch. Write it in your journal.
Journal, that is our next habit. But first, let us practice with a word right now.
Today's word, consistent. Consistent means doing something regularly over a long time without stopping.
Emma is consistent. She wakes up at 6:30 every morning.
Jake is not consistent, except about eating pizza on Fridays.
That is a lifestyle.
Now you try. Say the sentence out loud. Repeat after us. I want to be consistent with my English practice. I want to be consistent with my English practice.
Great. Now remember that word, consistent. Use it today, tomorrow, the day after.
Habit number 4. Write a journal in English every evening.
Okay, this is the habit I refuse to try for 3 weeks. And I am going to be honest about why.
Tell them.
I told Emma, I am not 12 years old. I am not writing in a diary. I was very confident about this.
He was very confident.
And then she told me the actual science behind it, and I tried it, and I actually love it now. Do not put that in the video.
It is already in the video.
Every evening, before you sleep, write a few sentences in English about your day, your feelings, what you did, what you ate, what made you happy or frustrated. Frustrated means annoyed or upset because something did not go the way you wanted.
It does not need to be long. It does not need to be perfect. 3 sentences are enough to start.
Today I woke up at 10:30. I had cereal, I watched a film, it was a good day. That is my actual journal, it counts.
Both are valid. Valid means acceptable, correct for the purpose. There is no wrong way to write a journal as long as you are writing in English.
And here is the thing that genuinely surprised me. After a few weeks, I started thinking in English before I wrote. Instead of writing in my head in my language and then translating, I just thought in English directly.
That is a huge milestone. Huge means very important. Milestone means an important moment in a process.
Thinking in English is one of the biggest signs that you are actually improving.
And writing is safe. Safe means protected, without risk. You can take your time, check a dictionary, fix a sentence. There is no pressure. Pressure means the feeling that you must do something quickly or perfectly.
I want you to try something right now. Think of 3 things that happened to you today. 3 simple things. Can you say them in English? Out loud if you can. Tonight, write those 3 things down. That is your first journal entry.
Habit number 5. Walk around your home and speak English out loud.
This is Emma's system. This is the sticky note situation.
This is the habit I did in the very beginning, when I first moved to LA, when my English was not confident yet. Confident means sure of yourself, without too much fear.
And here is why this habit works. And the reason is going to surprise you. It is not just about vocabulary. It is about something much deeper.
The habit is this. Walk around wherever you are. Your bedroom, your kitchen, your bathroom. Look at the things around you and name them in English. Out loud. With your voice.
Window, table, cup, pillow, door, shelf, ceiling, floor.
And then make sentences. Simple present tense sentences. I am opening the refrigerator. I am taking out the milk. I am going to make breakfast.
Out loud. This is the key part. Out loud means with your actual voice, with sound, not just in your head.
Here is the reason this works, and most people do not know this. Your brain needs to hear your own voice in English, not someone else's voice, your voice. Because when you finally speak to a real person, your voice will already feel familiar to you in English. Familiar means known, comfortable, not strange.
At first, it feels very strange. You feel like you are talking to your furniture. And you are. But your furniture is a very patient listener.
After a few days, it starts to feel normal. And then, natural. Natural means easy, without forcing it.
And the sticky notes. Write the English word on a small piece of paper. Stick it on the object. Every time you look at that object, you read the word.
I did this with words I could never remember. I had a sticky note on my desk that said acknowledge for 3 weeks.
Acknowledge means to recognize something or say that you know it exists.
And now I use it all the time because I saw it every single day while I was working.
The repetition does the work for you. Repetition means doing or seeing something many times.
Look around you right now, wherever you are. Name 5 things you can see in English. Out loud if you can. You just practiced English. without a teacher, without a textbook. Just you and the world around you.
And that is the whole point of today. English is everywhere. You just have to reach out and grab it.
Let us recap everything. 5 habits, nice and clear.
Habit 1. Watch everything in English. Shows, YouTube, movies with English subtitles. Start with something you already know and love.
Habit 2. Talk to real speakers. Use online platforms. Join communities around topics you love. Make mistakes. Do not be afraid.
Habit number 3. Learn one new word every day. Minimum 1. Repeat it for several days. Use it in sentences. Make it yours.
Habit 4. Write a journal in English every evening. 3 sentences are enough. Even Jake does it now.
I said don't!
Habit 5. Walk around your home and speak out loud. Name objects. Make simple sentences. Use sticky notes. Give your voice practice in English every single day.
Now here's your challenge. Pick one of these 5 habits, just one, and do it every single day for 7 days. Then come back and tell us in the comments.
Did it feel strange? Did it help? We actually read every single comment. We want to know.
And your question for the comments this week, which habit are you going to start with? Write your answer below. 1 word is enough. Journal, videos, speaking. Tell us.
Subscribe to English Over Coffee for a new episode every week. And next episode, something people ask us about every single day.
3 words. People use them every day. Most English learners answer them completely wrong, even the easy version.
You will not want to miss it.
Tell us below what else you want to learn. We plan everything around you.
See you next cup, coffee crew.
Bye, Beans.